Guys, we are at the Bay of the Bones on the Ohrid Lake. I'm not going to say anything right now, but as you watch the video, you will get all the info. You will know everything you need to know about this place. So watch the video and subscribe, like this content and share it if you like it and if you love it. See you. This archaeological site is situated on Ohrid Lake. It's a prehistoric pile dwelling 16 kilometers away from Ohrid, near the village of Peshtani. In 1977, the first underwater archaeological researches were carried out at a depth of 3 to 5 meters and later on 12 meters of depth, when numerous wooden stakes stuck in the lake bottom were discovered, along with mobile archaeological materials like tools, ceramics, wood, stone, and parts of animals such as deer horns. They were all with a chronological affiliation to the end of the Bronze Age and the beginning of the Iron Age. That is from 1200 BC to 780. It is assumed that this and other similar settlements on Lake Ohrid belong to the time when the first tribal population began to be profiled. Historically, this period of time is linked with the existence of the Bricks, the oldest tribal community from these parts, which is in fact an integral element of the ancient Macedonian ethnic substratum. This settlement had its platform standing on 6,000 wooden stakes, which was enough to hold an 8,500 square meters platform connected to the shore with a movable bridge. There were approximately 60 inhabitants, which dealt mostly with fishing but also with agriculture and hunting. This is indicated by the archaeological materials found on the site. See you at the next destination, and remember, it's the journey that counts.